that's going to be $895 a day. That's pretty crazy, and that's exactly what you can do with the method I'm about to show you. How to make money on YouTube without even making the videos. In this video, I'm going to show you probably the simplest way for anyone to make money out there, and that is to use YouTube, and you don't even have to make your own videos to make really good money with this method. What's happening, guys? Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Greg Kononenko. You might also know me as the Caffeinated Blogger. On this channel, I publish regular free training videos dedicated to making money online, blogging and traffic generation. So before we jump to the actual method, before I show you how to make money on YouTube without making videos, just make sure you give this video a quick like, subscribe to my channel just below this video, click that little bell notification icon to make sure that you get notified about my next video as soon as it goes live. All right, now let's dive into the actual method. First off, if you're completely new to YouTube, I want to make sure that you understand how YouTube works, and I'm going to show you proof in just a moment from my own YouTube account so that you can see some of the results that I'm getting, etc, etc. But basically, YouTube is all about getting views, and you can make money in a lot of different ways from YouTube, but it is all kind of dependent on the views, right? So the first way that you can get paid from YouTube is by displaying ad revenue. That's going to be the primary method that we're going to focus on in this video. There are other ways to monetize your videos as well. But basically, as long as you're getting the views, you can show ads on your videos and you can get paid as your part of the revenue, anywhere from sort of $1 to $20 per 1,000 views. Different niches pay differently. So I'm going to show you in just a moment exactly how everything works. But as your kind of channel grows, you can also get bonus revenue from recommending affiliate products, selling your own products, etc, etc, etc. And you can use this model to make money from YouTube in all of these ways without actually making your own videos. So this is really exciting. I'm pretty pumped to show you this strategy. Let me jump over into my YouTube account and I'm going to show you a few things. Okay, so this one video that you can see here, this video of mine, how to get traffic to your website fast, has actually made me $673 in ad revenue from the moment when I got started. This other video that I put out in August has made me $1,112 so far. And my channel is actually a very small channel. So with a bigger channel, and as my channel grows, I'm gonna make a lot more money. I just wanted to show you this as a potential that, you don't actually need to even have a big channel to make a really good amount of money from YouTube. Okay, so let's just jump back in here. Also want to show you what I mean by this ad revenue, $1 to $20 per 1,000 views. So basically, whenever someone watches a YouTube video, the owner of that video can turn on what's called ad monetization. And if you turn on ad monetization on your videos, whenever someone watches that video, you're going to get paid a certain amount of money. Let me show you exactly what I mean. Okay, so I'm just going to open up this particular video in here and watch what happens at the start of the video. So as soon as I play the video, you can see that at the start there is an ad playing. Okay, and it's counting down. I'm going to be able to skip the ad. If I don't skip this ad, if I actually watch more than I think 20 seconds of this ad, then the person who put this ad on this video is going to pay a certain amount of money to the owner of the actual video. So the actual video after I skip the ad is this video here, 3 hours of relaxing guitar music, okay? And this video has had 78,121,000 views. Now, each of these times, the 78 million views, the owner of this particular video uploaded by the channel Yellow Brick Cinema Relaxing Music, okay? They get paid a certain amount of money. So it may be as little as $1 in ad revenue per 1,000 views. It could be a little bit higher. We don't really know. On my channel, I actually make anywhere from sort of $10 to $20 per 1,000 views. But $1 per 1,000 views is probably the lowest that any kind of channel in any kind of niche can get, okay? So 78 million views. If we divide that by 1,000 and obviously multiply by 1, okay, so this particular video, just this video in a passive way, has probably made for this channel, for Yellow Brick Cinema, about $78,000, guys. That's awesome for one video. Obviously, they have a lot more than that. This channel is really big. They have a lot of views, okay, and when I run their name through Social Blade, I'm going to show you in just a second what that looks like. So I'm here on socialblade.com and I've just run Yellow Brick Cinema, so that channel that I showed you before, through Social Blade. And as you can see, every single day they're adding anywhere between sort of 2,000 to 3,000 subscribers, okay, to their channel. And they're getting 800 to 900 to 700,000 views. Now, being super conservative, like I was showing you guys before, being super conservative, even at the very lowest end of the scale, that means that they're making anywhere from sort of $700 to $900, $1,000 per day in ad revenue. In reality, it's probably actually a lot higher. You can see the estimated earnings here. You know, it could be as much as several thousands of dollars in ad revenue per day. I just want to make sure that you understand the potential with YouTube, guys. It is huge. You can make a lot of money. It's probably one of the best and easiest ways for someone to make money. But there is a big problem, right? We don't like making videos. We don't like being on camera. A lot of people who are quite new to YouTube don't like making videos, don't like being on camera. So that brings us back to the actual topic of this video, okay? How do you actually make all of this ad revenue without making your own videos? And that's what we're gonna cover here in just a second. So first of all, let's make sure that you understand the basics. So it's all about the ad views, okay? With this particular method that we're going to talk about today is called compilations. So what I'm going to show you is how you can easily compile videos from existing videos that are already out there on YouTube. You don't have to create them from scratch. You can simply compile them into smaller chunks and put them together. And you can do this ethically and legally without breaking any laws, without breaking any copyright restrictions, okay? So let's jump into a detailed example that I've prepared here for you. So first of all, let's look into this search query. So I've just gone and I've typed in guitar into YouTube, and this is what we got here. We've got all of these results. You can see that things involving guitars are actually really popular. All right, this top result has had 78 million views. So this video has probably made 78 or maybe even more than 100,000 in ad revenue to the owner. And all it is just music, basically. It's just music. There is nothing else there. This one has had 15 million views, 7.7 million views, 3.3 million views. So you can see that in general, videos related to guitars can get a lot of views. So this can be quite a good niche. You can set up your channel in a lot of different other niches as well. So for example, it could be funny videos, you know, it could be things related to babies, it could be top 10 type stuff, but I just wanted to run you through one example here, guitar, okay, just to show you sort of some of the potential here. All right, so you can see that like guitar music, you know, maybe if I type in even guitar music, okay, we're gonna probably get a lot of results that have a lot of views. So once again, 377,000 views, 78 million views, 997,000 views, 4 million views, this relaxing background guitar music. So this is a hot niche on YouTube. There is no doubt, no question about it. So if you wanted to go after this niche, how could you actually make money on YouTube without making your own videos? That's the million-dollar question. So I'm going to show you here. I'm going to jump into YouTube and let's do the same search. So we're going to search for guitar once again. But after we click guitar, we're going to open up the filter and we're going to go into features and we're going to choose this filter called Creative Commons. All right, so what Creative Commons is, just in case you haven't heard of Creative Commons before. So Creative Commons allows you to reuse and edit the video in any way that you wish. So basically then, if you take a Creative Commons video, so let's just open this up once again. Okay, so you could download all of these videos and you could compile them. You could perhaps mix, you could take, let's say 20 minutes of this video and then 1 hour of this video, and then, you know, just combine the chunks of these videos all together and then re-upload it back to YouTube on your own channel as your own video with your own thumbnail and so forth. And that would be completely legal, because look what happens if I open one of these in a YouTube. Okay, let's just scroll through and have a look. So this is 9 hours of music basically, right? Now, as you can see here, it says the license for this video is Creative Commons Attribution License, and it says reuse allowed. So this is the gold, guys. This means that you can actually download this video and you can re-upload it as your own. Okay, just leave it as is, just re-upload as your own. Or if you wanted to, you could just take a small chunk of it, maybe an hour of this and an hour of something else, maybe find some more best relaxing music videos and compile them into your own video so that it becomes different and unique from others, and then upload it back to YouTube. Okay. So let's just read what Creative Commons Attribution License actually means. So according to YouTube's definition is, by marking your original video with the Creative Commons license, you are granting the entire YouTube community the right to reuse and edit that video. So basically, once again, this means that you can take this video and you have the rights to reuse and edit that video and re-upload it back as your own. So this is very, very powerful. Make no mistake about this. This is insanely powerful. That means that you can take any videos that have this Creative Commons license and instantly you've got your own videos. You can do this in any niche. Like I said, you can do this in the fitness niche. You can do this in top 10 funny things niche. There are videos available for make money online niche, for technology niche, and many various other things. So that was our detailed example here, okay? So step by step, let's just confirm, make sure that you understand the full step-by-step process here. So step one would be to find your niche. So you would look at what video types are actually getting a lot of views, just like we did with guitar. We figured out that guitar is a hot niche. Then we also saw that there are a ton of Creative Commons videos, okay? So this, like guitar, I'm actually thinking of doing this myself. I'm hoping that one of you guys might be able to pick up this idea. This kind of guitar relaxing background music seems to be a really hot niche that's just ripe for the picking. You can get so many views. You would then find an example video, like we found that original video here, like this one here, this 3-hour relaxing guitar music video. This is a perfect example of something that we could do as well, because it looks like people actually really like relaxing guitar music. So once you've got a video that has over 5 million views, you could then look for some Creative Commons videos and download enough videos to rework into a compilation. So with our example, these are all the Creative Commons videos. So we can get that classical guitar from here. We can also then download this one, 3 hours best coming music. So just download all of these similar kinds of videos, arrange them into a video of your own. Step 4 would be to use a software. There is free Mac software and free Windows software to produce an MP4 of your own. I recommend over 10 minutes. Obviously, if you're in the music niche, you'll want it to be at least 1 hour or more. But if you're in other niches, for example, like how to lose weight or some kind of a funny video, or maybe there is a sports video, you'd want to still go for over 10 minutes because that means you can just put more ads on your video. Finally, step 5, of course, would be to upload to your own channel. So you would need to create your channel, upload the video to your channel. Then you would take similar tags similar to the other video that you already know is successful. Let me jump over here and I'll show you the example. So as you can see, this video that has had 78 million views. If we're going for the same type of video, so for example, we might make a video with 2 hours of relaxing guitar music. All right, you would just take very similar video tags. Don't copy them, exactly, but just take very similar video tags that will ensure that your video has got the best chance of ranking and coming up in the suggested videos or under up next or in the search results. Finally, you would want to make a great thumbnail for your video. To make a great thumbnail, what you would want to do is check out what other thumbnails people are using and order a similar style thumbnail from Fiverr, or just make it yourself in Photoshop or Canva if you are skilled with those programs. That's it in a nutshell. That's the whole process. That's all there is to it. It's very simple, very easy to do. Anyone can start. There is literally no reason not to do this. It's amazingly profitable, and it's so easy to get started because the material is already out there for you. Now, the success outline. So you do need 4,000 watch hours before having ads approved. So if your channel is brand new, you will need to have 4,000 watch hours accumulated. But don't worry, it's quite simple to do. It might take a little bit of time, obviously, to get there, but assuming that your average watch time per video is just 5 minutes, then you only need 48,000 total views on your video to hit 4,000 watch hours. If your watch time is longer, obviously, then if it's like 10 minutes or more, your average watch time, if you upload longer videos, then you need a lot less total views. So once you've got accumulated that 4,000 of total watch hours on your channel of other people watching your videos for a total of 4,000 hours, and you've got 1,000 subscribers, then you can apply to have ads displayed on your channel. And from then on, you can enable ads and you can start making that money. That's it, guys. That's all there is to it. I'm hoping that you enjoyed this method and you're going to implement this. To make sure that you get my future free training videos about making money online, blogging, traffic generation, click that subscribe button just below this video. Give me a quick like on this video, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought of this video, and also tick that bell notification icon so that you can get an update straight into your inbox next time I upload my next training video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.